Hello everyone. Welcome to Controllerstech. I have already made a video on stepper motor, but that one only shows how to rotate the motor, regardless of the speed, angle, or the direction. Today, in this video, I am going to make it a bit more interesting. This is another video on stepper motor, and this time we will vary the RPM, change the direction, and also step the motor through some angles. Let's start by creating project in CubeIDE. I am using F103 C8 controller. Let's give a name to this project. Let's set up the CubeMX part. First of all, I am enabling the external crystal for the clock. Next, select the serial wire debug. Now, I am setting PA1 to PA4 as output. These pins are connected to the stepper. I will show you the connection in a while. Let's set the clock now. I want the controller to run at maximum clock possible. Here in this case, 72 MHz. Note that APB2 timer clock is also at 72 MHz. Setting the timer for microseconds delay. If you don't know what I am doing, check the video on the top right. Setup is complete. Click Save to generate the project. This is the connection. Stepper motor is connected via ULN2003 motor driver to the F103 controller. Pin A1 goes to IN1, A2 to IN2 and so on. Motor driver is needed because the current consumption is stepper is high. Let's write the code now. First of all, I am writing a function to create delay in microseconds. Set the counter to 0. Wait for the counter to reach the entered value. Now, I am going to write a function for the half drive for the motor. As shown in my website, the motor takes 8 steps in the half drive. First only A is high, then A and B both are high, then only B is high, then B and C are high, and so on. Here, A, B, C and D represents the pins connected to the motor. Here only first is high, here first and second both are high, then only second and third, and so on. Now, the motor takes 4096 steps in half drive, to complete one revolution. 8 steps in half drive is called a sequence. This way the motor completes 512 sequences for one revolution. I am defining here the number of steps this motor takes for one revolution. If you are using wave drive or full drive, then steps per revolution would be 2048, but the sequences would still be 512. As the motor now takes 4 steps to complete a sequence. This here is the function to set the RPM for the motor. I have tested it, and found out that maximum RPM for this stepper is around 14. Although it misbehaves at 14, so I wrote here the max can be 13. You can use this function as a delay function. Now inside the main function, first we have to start the timer. Let's see the calculation. If I want to run the motor at RPM of 14, the delay would be 1046 microseconds. To run at 1 revolution per minute, the delay would be 14,648 microseconds. As I mentioned, 512 sequences are needed for one complete revolution. I am going to write a for loop for these 512 sequences. For each sequence, the motor is going to take 8 steps, making it 4096 steps. Let's set the RPM of 5 at first. So there is no error in the code, let's debug it then. Select STM32 application. Leave everything default and click OK. Run the code now. As you can see, the motor is rotating as expected. You can time this video and count the RPM. This part is exact 1 minute long, so it is easier to count it. The stepper made 5 revolutions, as we asked it to do. Let's increase the RPM now. I am making it 13. Flash the code again. Note that the speed has increased. I am only running this part for 30 seconds, if you want to count. The motor completed around 6.5 revolutions in 30 seconds, exactly what we needed. Now it's time to write the function for the angle. The motor will rotate by the angle in the parameter. We can also control the direction and RPM. Like I mentioned, there are 512 sequences for 1 revolution, which means 0.703125 degrees per sequence. We can find the angle the number of sequences motor needs to complete. We can also control the direction by reversing sequence of the steps in the half drive. Let's test it for the different angles. Here I am writing 45 degrees first and clockwise direction, with an RPM of 10. And it will keep repeating every 1 second. Let's build it and test. I am steeping through this code to show you the angle calculation. Now, when we enter the function, the angle is 45 degrees. Number of sequences come out to be 64. This is 1/8 of the 512, as 45 is of 360. Let's run it now. You can see the result yourself. The motor rotates for 45 degrees, every 1 second. Let's change the angle to 22.5 degrees, and flash the code again. I will change the RPM to 12. As expected, the motor now takes 22.5 degrees in each second. This is it, guys. I hope you will make some better use of it. Leave comments in case of any doubt. You can download the code from the link in the description. Have a nice day.